Welcome to this Hargrove Gas Log installation video. Today, we'll be going over the operation of a 1T valve with an on-off remote upgrade kit. Install the 4 AA batteries into the remote control receiver. Ensure that all batteries are facing the correct direction. Install the 23A battery into the remote control. Switch the receiver switch to the remote position. Press the Learn button with a small screwdriver and make sure to listen for the beep. Next, press any button on the remote. That series of beeps means that a connection has been made. Use a flathead screwdriver to unscrew the cover on the front of the valve. Now screw the latch tab block into the front of the valve. Make sure not to over-tighten. Connect the wires from the remote receiver to the matching terminals on the latch tap block. Make sure to press the off button on the remote before proceeding. Note the 3 settings on the control knob: on, off, and pilot. Before lighting the pilot, make sure the main gas supply is turned to the full on position. Turn the control knob to the pilot position. The knob should pop out slightly. Now fully depress the control knob, allowing gas to flow to the pilot. Now light the pilot. If you're lighting the pilot for the first time, it may take a few minutes to get gas to flow to the pilot. Continue holding the control knob for about 30 seconds to properly heat the thermocouple. Now release the control knob. The pilot should remain lit. If not, repeat the previous steps. Turn the control knob counterclockwise to the on position. Now your valve is ready to be controlled by the remote. This valve system allows you to adjust the flame height manually. Install the provided control knob extension kit if you would like to extend the control knob forward. Place the heat shield and insulation over the top of the valve. Now your burner and valve system are ready for operation. Please reference the burner kit installation instructions for placing the burner media and log grate. A variable remote upgrade kit is also available for this valve. Thanks for watching.